Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Today in this video we are going to make this basic model by using the SolidWorks tool. So you can see here the model that we are going to make in this video. So let's open a part first. Here you can see the by default unit is mm/second. So I will just take a plane over here. Now I will go for the sketch. I'll select here circle. I'll draw here two circles. Now we'll just draw one more line which is quite like this. Now we'll go for the dimensions and give the dimension for both the circle. This circle I'll be giving the radius is, the diameter is 80. So give their diameter value 80. And for the inner circle having the diameter 48. Now I'll go for the trim tools and I will trim these portions. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined and as well as closed. Now come out from the sketch, go for the extrude base boss, and I will choose here the mid planes and I'll be extruding it up to 64. So give the value here 64. Now go for the OK. Now I'll choose here the right plane and I'll just take one more plane. So hold Control key, or you can drag, or else you can go for this option here. You can see you have the option here, reference geometry. So now you can see here one plane is getting generated. Now I want to create a plane which is having the distance 64 plus 24. So I'll give here the dimension 64. Just go with the enter. Now you can see here we have taken one plane. Just go with the OK. Now I will select this plane and go for this sketch. I'll just keep it off here, Instant 3D. Now select the plane and go for the sketch and make it normal to the plane. In this sketch I'll make a sketch which is like this. I'll choose here center rectangle. Instead of center rectangle I'll choose here corner rectangle. I'll make it like this. We have to give the dimensions. The rectangle is having the dimension is 48. So I'll give the value there 48. And I'll be giving the height over here 16. And one thing I need to do, I'll be just giving this relation, this line and this origin having the relations midpoint. Now you can see here your sketch is getting ready. Now come out from the sketch and we will go for the extrude base boss. Click on the extrude base boss and reverse the direction. I will reverse it and I'll choose here up to next. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is like this. Now I need to go for the fillet. So I'll go for the fillet tool right now. Here I will choose full round fillet. Now I will select this face. I'll select this face and I will select here this face. Now you can go for the OK. So you can see here it's got fillet. Now I'll go for the sketch once again. Now I'll choose this face and I'll make a sketch on this face and make it normal to the planes. So I'll draw here one more circle. Just draw it and give the dimension here. The circle is having the diameter 24. So I'll give the diameter 24. And you have to give one more relation. This circle and this circle having the concentric relation. Just go with this OK. Right now you come out from the sketch and go for the features called extruded cut and give the cut up to next. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here, I'll go for the tool called here fillet. So click on the fillet and I'll change it. I'll make it to normal edge fillet and I'll click on this edge. I'll give the fillet radius here 2 mm and I'll just select this edge. Now you can go for the preview here and just go with this OK. Now we will do one thing. We will create a mirror. We can see here, I'll just go with this. I'll select this features, extruded base boss, this fillet, extruded cut and this fillet. Then go for the mirror and I'll mirror about the right planes and just go with this OK. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. I'll just hide this plane. I will just apply some appearance here. I'll apply the appearances like this. Just go with this OK. So guys, you can see here right now your model is getting ready. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.